wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Today I am going to be telling few stories about Ganesha's life. The first story is how Ganesha was born with the elephant head. One day, Goddess Parvati was taking a bath. So she ordered Nandi, who was one of Shiva's Gana, to guard the door and not let anyone in. Few minutes later, Shiva came. As Nandi was Shiva's follower, Nandi let Shiva in. Parvati was furious and created a figure out of turmeric and sandal paste. Then she put life into it, and a small boy appeared in front of her. Parvati said, "You are my son, and you'll only listen to whatever I say." Then the boy said, "Okay, mother." Soon again, Parvati was taking a shower. So she told the boy to guard the door and not let anyone in. She also gave a stick to the boy for his defense. Again Shiva came, and the boy did not allow Shiva in. Shiva took his trident and made the boy headless. Parvati was so angry that she ordered Shiva to go and get the head of the first thing which is pointing to the wrong side and sleeping. The Shiva's Ganas brought an elephant head because it was sleeping with its head in the northern side. Then Shiva placed the elephant on the headless body, and it looked like a boy had just arose from sleep. Then Parvati said, "I want Shiva to give my son a very important place." Shiva said, "From now he will be called Ganesha and will always be worshipped before anyone else's. And that is why in all the pujas, Ganesha is worshipped and then the real puja starts." Now let me tell you the second story where Ganesha gets his vehicle, the mouse. There lived an elephant-headed demon called Gajasur. He started praying and praying. Lord Shiva was very pleased because of his respect to him and appeared right in front of Gajasura. Gajasura said, "Oh Lord Shiva, can you please grant me the boon where someone only as dark as me can kill me?" Shiva granted that boon. Then Gajasura started doing bad things in all the three worlds. Shiva sent Ganesha, and Ganesha started fighting with Gajasur with many fierce moves. Gajasur knew that his end was close, so he took the form of a mouse and tried to run away. But Ganesha caught him. As Ganesha was about to kill him, Gajasur said, "Oh Lord Ganesha, please spare me. I will promise to be your vehicle as long as I live. Please spare me." Ganesha said, "Okay then, I'll spare you if you only promise to be my vehicle as long as you live." And that is how everyone knows that Ganesha has a vehicle, the mouse. Now, let me tell you about how Ganesha is very clever. One day, Sage Narad came with a divine mango and gave it to Goddess Parvati and Lord Shiva. Then he told, "This mango cannot be divided, so it could only be given to one of your children, Ganesha or Kartikeya." As Shiva and Parvati loved both of their children equally, they decided to have a competition. In the competition, the boys had to fly around the world 3 times, and whoever came first would win. Kartikeya's vehicle was a fast peacock, so he started flying immediately. Ganesha thought, how would he go around the world 3 times with his small mouse as his vehicle? So he came up with the idea and started circling Shiva and Parvati 3 times. Then he said, "You mean the world to me because you are my parents." Shiva and Parvati was pleased and gave Ganesha the mango. That is why many people worship him and want to get learnings from him. Now let me tell you why Ganesha earned the title Ekadanta, which means one tooth. One day, sage Vedvyas went to Lord Brahma and said, "O Lord Brahma, I want to write the epic Mahabharata. Can you please suggest someone good enough who can write in the speed of lightning and understand every word I say?" Lord Brahma said, "The only person I can think about is Ganesha." Sage Vedvyas went to Ganesha and said, "O Lord Ganesha, can you please help me write the epic Mahabharata?" Ganesha told, "Okay, but you should recite all the words without a stop." Sage Vedvyas said, "Okay, but you should tell me to stop only if you don't understand a word." As they sat down to write, Ganesha's pen broke. So he broke out his tusk and started writing with it in the speed of lightning and understood every word Sage Vedvyas said. That is how he earned the title Ekadantaya, which means one tooth. Thank you.